In moments when everything feels too heavy or chaotic, your first aid kit is there to gently bring you back. Let's see how Ami handled life. This is Ami. Lately, everything's been a bit too much and harsh. Thoughts spinning, heart racing. They don't even know where to begin. Then Ami opens a box that his friend gave her earlier on his birthday. It's not just a box, it's their mental health first aid kit, a toolkit for when the world feels too loud. Ami opens a journal. As they write, their thoughts begin to slow down. Each word on paper feels like a weight lifted. Next, music. Ami puts on their favorite calming playlist. The melodies wrap around them like a warm blanket. They find a photo, a simple note. It reminds them of love, connection, and the people who care, even when it's silent. Ami pick out soft stress ball and set up lavender-scented oil diffuser. As Ami squeezes and breathes it in, they feel the present moment again, safe and real. They see a familiar name on their phone, someone they can call, text, or simply lean on. They haven't spoken yet, but just knowing someone's there brings ease. Now, Ami steps out into the sunlight. His challenges are not fixed, but they feel lighter. This little box didn't solve everything, but help Ami restore and see his capabilities. It reminded Ami, we have tools, we have support, and we have most importantly, hope. You can also build your own mental health first aid kit like Ami had. Keep a journal, playlist, and phone, a memory to remind you that you're unique and valuable, a stress buster like stress ball or relaxing fragrance, and a human connect on whom you rely. This can be your close friend or family. That's all you need to be at peace. Remember, healthy life starts with healthy mind.